Hedgehog cheated.
Who are you calling rotten?
I've got a plan.
I'm all aflutter with his
I'm
son.
hungry. Can we get on with this? It's almost lunchtime, and there's a chili dog with my name on it waiting in the next town. About time.
You and I will head Sonic off this way. The robots will cut him off that way.
Lame.
Could have thought of that plan myself.
Ready, robot repair, at your service. We got a repair order here for a couple of tree killer robots.
Let me see that.
I don't have a lot of time here. Dr. Robotnik said to get this taken care of now.
Dr. Robotnik said?
To your knowledge.
Well, in that case, go ahead.
Time to flip the switch. This is not gonna be cheap. Bo's here,
Seems to know what he's doing.
I certainly recommend it to all my
Throw
friends.
it all away. Uh-oh, more trouble here. Some bad news, fellas.
Just do the best you can, but make it quick.
You're the boss, but I really ought to take this one into the shop. Throw it all away. Where'd I get that from? All fixed. Sign here, please. Okie dokie. Call us again if you have any problems. So long.
Excellent service.
And so quick.
Man, they're
now,
stupid.
let's get that hedgehog.
A few minutes later. So, do I still get that recommendation? Scratch? Oh, these are my thoughts. He can't hear me.
Why are my tree killer robots spraying you?
It was that robot repairman you said. He did it.
I said no repairman.
Exactly.
Sure you did. Spiny little blue guy about so
Stupidness.
tall.
Stupidity.
Was Sonic, you silicon brain.
You built him?
Do I have to do everything myself?
Nah, their stupidity makes it fun.